Hey everyone, my name is Laura Schmitz and I'm a project and systems engineer here at Dcubed. I studied aerospace engineering in Aachen and joined Dcubed as a working student in May 2022 to write my master thesis. And afterwards they hired me as a full-time employee, as which I am employed since April 2023. Yeah, so my work here mostly focuses on deployable structures such as solar arrays or reflector arrays. And I kind of do a bit of everything throughout the project, so start really in the beginning with collecting some design ideas, then building first CAD models and also simulating them. And I was also involved so far in production tasks and also testing. After being employed for only a couple of months now, I already worked on hardware that will be sent into space, which is a really amazing feeling. Dcubed also offers a lot apart from work. So for example, in summer times when the weather is good, all of us go to the lake nearby together to have lunch there. Or last year before Christmas, we went to the Tollwood and spent an evening over there. So I really appreciate the effort that Dcubed is taking to also bring all of us together outside of work and that we can strengthen the bond between all of us. Also for some occasions, we get really cool printed t-shirts or hoodies. We have a motivated team that enables us to work on really interesting and stunning space projects, and it enables each of us to grow their individual skill set. And this really creates a comfortable workplace where it's really fun to work at.